Hello and welcome to this demo. Today I'm going to show you how with Centrify infrastructure services you can secure access and share accounts that are in IBM I systems. Formerly known as AS400s, these systems are very popular and they're used in financial institutions. But the framework that we're going to use today is that we're going to try to do the demo with the best practices from an identity and access maturity, right? So we're going to try to stay away from exposing or using passwords, and we're going to try to do identity assurance, limit lateral movement, embrace the least privilege principle, and provide monitoring and auditing capabilities. My world stars here, I have a set of IBM systems, a 6.x and a 7.x. In our implementation, we are using SSH. This means that you need to have the SSH daemon turned on the IBM system. And the reason being is because the TN5250, which is the native protocol, is based on Telnet. So unless you implement compensating controls, the traffic is going on clear text. So the first thing I wanted to show you is how an end user can access a shared account. So notice that you can enter an account, but in this case, I'm going to do requesting an account. In this case, an account, I could have access to it already for login, or this could be an account that I need to request access to. So in this case, I'm going to use this one, right? One of the first things that you'll notice right away that I'm being challenged for multi-factor, right? This is going back to the best practices that I showed you. We want to establish identity assurance. Maybe this is a PCI system, right? So in this case, I need to use my trusted phone here on the right to find my OTP code wallet, and then I can type in the code. So in this case, 28859. And once I do that, right, I prove my identity, right, and I'm going to be able to be securely put on a session here. And notice that this is the Unix interface for the AS400 system, right? So this is a quite convenient capability. Another thing that I could do is I could check out the password outright, right? So if this is a profile that I need to use, maybe I want to use it on my client access system, right? I could just copy paste the password, right? So I could just either go directly here, or I can go into my accounts, right? And select one of the accounts that I have, and this is the one for 16.6 here, and I can do right click and I can just check out. So I can choose to show the password or copy the password, right? So let's go ahead and show the password. In this case, this is going to be based on the policies, right? So this password is going to have a default checkout age of 60 minutes. It's going to be rotated automatically at the end of this, and ultimately, we can also set up periodic rotations based on a timeline, right? And in this case, I've shown you how you can get secure access and how you can check out passwords. In the next video, I'll show you how you can enforce complex password profiles that you may have in different AS400 systems using our password rules capability.